How to use the object tracking feature of your gimbal. Inside the Hohem Joy app, we have the feature to track an object. Very useful if you're still not very familiar with gimbals. You can simply draw a square with your fingers around the subject you want to track, and you can move freely around the subject. The app will keep focus on the specific object. To set up the object tracking, we want to go in the Hohem Joy app. Remember to turn on your Bluetooth and location. Go inside the Hohem Joy app. In the menu, go to Video. You want to press the second last icon on the left hand side, and now you want to press the icon in the middle with the box. That's your object. When you've done that, you simply draw a square around your subject with your finger on the monitor, and now whatever you do with your gimbal, the camera will stay on your subject. Remember to press the rec button if you want to record your video, and when you're done, press on the X on the right hand side of your box. And that's how you use the object tracking feature of your gimbal.